Welcome back to another interesting tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to repair unplayable video or any corrupted video file online for free. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead, like for instance, I'm going to use this particular video right here. So if I click on the video link, you find out that the video is no longer play right here. If I click on it again, you can see the video cannot be played. How can we repair this video file and make it playable back on our device? So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to exit from your video file, and then you want to make sure you open up your Chrome browser. Then come to this particular website right here. Go ahead and come to this particular website. So Stellar, I'm going to put the website link in the description of this video. Just go ahead and click on the link, and it's going to take you to this particular web page right here. Now here, this particular website here supported any broken file format, whether MP4, MOV, AVI, and any other damages video file online, and it is all for free. So 5 gig upload file size limit. That is when you want. That is for that. Then you can also get their desktop version software. So what we want to do is to see how we can repair our video online with this particular website. So for that, go ahead and click on upload video, and then we'll be asked to create a free account or sign in with our Google account. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my Google account right here. I'll go ahead and continue, and I'll scroll down right here. I'll go ahead and continue. So successfully log into the site. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on upload video. Then we want to make sure we look for the video on our photos and video gallery right here. Then you have to make sure you navigate to videos. Then you want to make sure you look for the video in your gallery. So I have the video on my recent file right here. So should in case, if you cannot find the video in your video section right here, so it's definitely you can see unplayable video. I'm going to select it right here. Now the video is being uploaded right here. So allow the video to upload completely. Just like so. Now, corrupt video file upload successfully, hard video repair. So next thing we want to do here is that we need to upload a sample video to repair. Now, what this simply means is that you have to make sure you upload a sample video is working file created using same camera or phone devices as the corrupted file video file. So you need to make sure they are of the same format, they were recorded with the same way. So I'm going to go ahead and click on upload a sample video to repair. Then go to my photo and video. Then sample to repair. I have another video sample I'm going to upload right here. So I'm going to upload this as a sample to repair. Then allow it to upload successfully. So you can see the video is being uploaded. So it has to be the same camera, the same format, so that you make sure you upload the same file format into the site. Successfully upload, just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on start repair. So you can see the video started to analyze. So this depends on the length of the video and the file size that will determine the time at which this particular video is going to be successfully fixed. So just allow exercise patience, and then the video is going to be successfully repaired and playable back. just like so. So you can see that the video has been successfully repaired. So you can go ahead and simply click on Save Repair Video. Then go ahead and click on Download Repaired. Now let's play the video. Come back to another interesting here about trending topics. Click in Facebook. I'll show you how to use Facebook app to find trending topics to go up on Facebook. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to expand. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots from the bottom right here. Then go ahead and simply click on download right here to download the repaired video. Now you can see the download in progress right here. Just like so, complete download, and I have the video back in my gallery. So I can access from the browser right here. And the next thing I'm going to do here now is to go back to my file manager. So right here, this is my file manager, and this is the video file that was not playable. So if I click on it, you'll find out that it's not playable. And the next thing I'm going to do right here is to simply go to my download video. So I'm going to access from here, and I'll go ahead and open up my download file right here, and we have the file right here. So let's play the video. Welcome back to another. Now you can see the video. So you can see the video has been successfully repaired without any stress. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.